Click on the link below to get price. The Anker 535 solar generator is an exceptional power solution that brilliantly merges portability with high-capacity energy storage. With a robust 512Wh capacity, this powerhouse is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, emergency preparedness, or even everyday use during power outages. One of the standout features of the Anker 535 is its remarkable energy efficiency. The inclusion of a 100W solar panel offers an eco-friendly way to harness solar energy, making it suitable for camping trips or off-grid living. The solar panel allows users to recharge the generator in just a few hours of sunlight, providing a sustainable energy source that is increasingly important in today's environmental landscape. The design of the generator is both practical and user-friendly. Weighing in at around 13.2 pounds, it strikes a balance between portability and capacity. The sturdy handle makes it easy to transport, which is a significant plus for those who enjoy outdoor activities. The layout features multiple outlets, including AC, USB-A, and USB-C ports, enabling users to charge various devices simultaneously. This versatility is particularly beneficial for families or groups who rely on multiple gadgets. Performance-wise, the Anker 535 delivers consistently high output, easily powering laptops, smartphones, and small appliances without a hitch. During testing, it demonstrated excellent durability and reliability, even under load. The built-in safety features, including short-circuit protection and temperature control, offer peace of mind when using the generator. However, one minor drawback is the initial investment. While the price may seem steep, the quality and efficiency justify the cost, particularly for those who prioritize sustainability and reliability in their energy sources. Overall, the Anker 535 solar generator is a top-tier product that meets the demands of modern-day energy needs, making it an excellent choice for anyone in search of a reliable and eco-friendly power solution. With its combination of portability, capacity, and solar charging capability, it's a worthy investment for both outdoor adventures and emergency backup.